Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Trading slash Chart Patterns Mastery free video. What's today about? Well, I'll tell you, everybody's a genius when the market goes up. What are they doing with PANW? Well, I'll tell you right now what happened is that it went down 13 points on basically that there was some insider selling. Big deal. Insider selling can be for a variety of reasons. It's always buys that matter more. But if these stocks, CrowdStrike, Palo Alto, Fortinet, if they're all going to get destroyed because of a stupid insider selling, well, to me that means that people are a little too extended on the long side. So I'm actually, for the first time, going to start looking for some swing shorts. That's the way it looks to me. So I'm looking at not necessarily the Z-scalers of the world. So these are 1 day down. Usually it's how they work off the oversold condition if I want to go in those. But for those to go down that much, I have to think the NASDAQ is going to start following that. Now, what do I mean? Go look at the NASDAQ on the left and go put PANW or Fortinet or any of those on the right. Yeah, they look sort of familiar. So I'm just telling you, if that's doing that on the right and Z-scalers is doing that on the right, then this is more likely to finally have somewhat of a sell-off. So that's how we're going to try to play tomorrow, looking at that kind of thing. Now, just to let you know, in our actual room in Chart Patterns Mastery, well, we bought Hood. We're out. So we didn't lose buying out of the money calls and then being in the hope stage. So we did spreads and we made anywhere from 20 to 30% over the last 3 days. We'll keep that going. So that's where we are right now. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.